I'm Simon Tucker. My company is Medenta Finance, and as the name suggests, we do finance, but mostly in the dental market. We will work with dentists to help them sell more treatment to their patients. In terms of our accounting and our management accounts, we actually have quite a good handle on the business, and I was always very comfortable with that because I can work with an Excel spreadsheet, and we have a very simple business model. But it was things like tax and VAT. One, we'd been in trouble with VAT already as a business because we'd miscalculated, so we're now having to catch up. So that was a worry. So don't want that to happen again. And secondly, tax is an area where I always go, it's the Majesty's Revenue, Customs. I want to make sure we're covering everything. I don't want to pay any more than I have to, but I want to make sure we're covering everything. So it was the tax element, and Rachel Brotheridge sat down with me and went through the tax and made it again very clear about what the implications were if we did this, what our options were, and how we could go forward. So the tax element was what I really took away from it. The management side of it was fairly clear to me, but it was that tax side that helped. Our past accountants, part of the blame I put on them because they didn't pick it up early enough. But when it came to then recalculating it of what we did owe, they did that for us. We paid them for it, of course, they did that for us. But that was it. There was no advice about, now what do I do? And that came about just at the time that we'd signed off and had agreed to join Clear Vision. And again, all I said was, look, what would you do in this circumstance? And the advice I was given, look, be proactive, phone the VAT people and say, this is the situation, send them the calculations, send them your cash flows, and then negotiate them, just like any other lender. You owe them money, but you want payment terms, and they'll be understanding. And it got me over the fear of picking up the phone to the VAT man, because you have this vision, or I had the vision of the man in grey suits. If you're in trouble, they're going to be in all over your business, and it wasn't like that at all. But I wouldn't have taken that step without, not having been said, don't worry, this is the information they're going to want. Call them, and it was a very simple phone call. Great, it's worked well. Getting that VAT issue off my desk and into a payable way has been a real relief. Our calculations are now right, so we're not getting further into trouble, and we're now paying back the debt that we owe them. They've asked for a review after 6 months, which I've got on my diary, and it's just, again, you just feel relieved that there's not something hanging over you, which in particular is the tax man, because nobody likes the tax man, I don't think so. But we have to pay. So.